Nice. What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage. Rachel is on the show today. Wave hello. So what I'm gonna make her do is basically change the oil on her S3. We'll kind of see. I don't know. Do you want guidance along the way, or you just want to try to do it? Okay. So what's the idea here?
The idea is you're there to babysit me, and I guess I need to see if I know how to do it. I don't know.
All right, and then you're gonna try to not get dirty while doing it.
Right. I guess I'm gonna put this white shirt on. Oh fuck! It's already dirty. It is.
And you're gonna try to not get super dirty, I guess, is the goal.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah. It really did get dirty. That was on here. Okay, we have
Where?
to show what it looks like. Does it show up?
Looks very extremely white.
It's off-white.
Off-white, extremely.
It's like stained, sweaty white.
But it's brand new. So anyways,
no, there's a little thing right here. Look.
It's a little dirty, slightly. Oh yeah.
I didn't do it.
Can't even pick that up.
It's sweat stain white. You know, when the armpits turn yellow. That's why I don't wear white. Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna put this on, I guess.
Cool.
Can you edit that so I look like I'm cool?
And what are you wearing for shoes?
I'm just gonna wear these. Should I change them?
No.
Oh, I thought you were.
I just wanted to show off those rad shoes. Okay, so, yes.
Thumbnail. This hurts my wrist. Thumbnail. So stupid. Why is it called thumbnail?
Because you, like you said,
Okay.
I don't know, because it's small.
I can't even eat, like, without getting shit on me. So for those of you that don't know me, I'm messy. So this is open now.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. It just doesn't magically open. My fucking fingers, are they gonna fry off?
No, you're good.
Okay. Why does that look like a box?
Because it is. You know what
Does
that is.
come like that?
Yeah.
That came like that.
Yeah.
Like a cardboard box.
Yeah.
What?
Check it out. Open it up.
It's like a gift. Is it hot? Oh, it like insulates it or something?
Yeah, it's
This
like a
little
Happy
tab?
Meal. It's like a Happy Meal. No, the inside.
I feel like I'm already dirty, dude. Do I get to wear gloves?
Yes.
It's the battery?
Boom.
What is it?
It's the battery.
Okay. I don't give a fuck about that. But
All right.
why is it in there, though? I've never seen that.
They put it in a bag to insulate it. I think it's to like keep it warm or something.
That's really weird.
Not totally sure. I think it's for like cold weather. First thing we gotta do is we gotta get the oil filter undone on the car.
Wait.
Do you know how to do that? Where's the oil filter? I'll give you a hint.
Wait, don't tell me. Why are you failing me?
Okay. I won't tell
Well,
you.
that's the like stick for the oil.
Correct.
Do I have to take this thing off?
Boom. Yeah. Go ahead and take that off.
Is it hot?
No, the car's.
Well,
no.
it feels hot.
I mean, I don't know.
Oh, it's
No,
hot.
it's fine, dude.
Does this just come off?
Yeah, just yank. Rip it off. Straight up.
Oh shit, something came off.
You are correct.
It's right there.
Where? Oh, yeah. Little rubber guy.
It's hot, huh? Fuck face. Just kidding. Beep beep. Told you. Now my hands are dirty. Ribbed for your pleasure. Just kidding. Do you have the little pokies? Oh, that's what I was thinking. See, twins.
Get it out.
Oh, scheiße. Oh, scheiße. I can't see.
It's going deeper. All right, I'll grab it real quick.
Blake's gonna grab
I don't
it.
want it to
Public
disappear.
service of announcement. That's like teriyaki chicken.
That
Okay,
little
so
guy.
let me hold it. I did it. No, I'm just kidding.
I've actually heard of these things popping off, and I've yet to have the issue. So Rachel exposed the issue. Apparently, 034 Motorsports, they sell aftermarket ones of these. So that literally just popped out of right here.
Where's the black thing over it?
I don't know. The black part is like
Missing.
gone.
Oh no, see?
That's really weird.
Look what happened.
However, I
Wait,
will
do you
say,
think it's in there?
look something. Here, we're gonna look at something. I just noticed. I've never noticed this before. Let me know if you have an Audi if it's the same way. What color is that?
Gray.
Color is that?
Well, your finger's on it. Oh, it's black.
Color is that?
Black.
Color is that?
Black.
Color are all these little tabs.
Black, 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 gray. Yeah.
So, makes sense, I guess.
But what are those little tabs?
No, they just hold the cover on, the engine cover.
Yeah.
So literally that's just a beauty cover. It absolutely does nothing. Okay, so now we're getting warm on the oil filter. Where are we at?
The oil filter, where is it?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Boom. Good job. What I usually like to do first is what? Before I make any oil or any sort of mess.
You want a paper towel?
Or
Or funnel or
paper towel is good, but we'll do that next. What do I usually put on the ground?
I said piece of cardboard.
Oh, I thought you said a paper towel. Anyways,
I don't know.
cardboard. It's already dirty. Let's go ahead and slide that underneath the car.
But where do I put this? This is.
Right, we'll get to that later, so get that out of the way.
But is there oil on it?
No, I don't think so.
That's Blake's infamous words, and then he moves the car and shits everywhere.
So do you think that's the proper spot for the oil thing?
What?
I don't know, where do you think the oil pan is?
I don't know. I can't see it.
If the engine is draining out the oil, where would the oil pan be?
Well, it'd be underneath there, right?
Yeah.
That's where I was going with it.
Oh, okay, you're just sliding it forward?
Yeah.
Alright.
I made it seem
I usually go from the front, that's all.
Oh, that's way. Probably. That's. Do this all over again. Should I do it like that?
Yeah, I usually just slide it in. Now, this part, what I like to usually do is put a bunch of paper towels around. So let's look at it, babe. So, right here, it loves to just leak oil freaking everywhere. So, what we're gonna do is just wrap the hell out of it with paper towels. Alright, I got you paper towels. Right there, we are using Raven oil, some German motorsports awesomeness. If you guys ever play Forza or Gran Turismo, you'll notice that,
These are. I'm just kidding.
what is that?
The dumb fucking thing that people do in makeup. They're like, look at the shade.
Oh.
Do you see the paper towel?
No, you're supposed to cover your face. That's why. I think they do that so it doesn't autofocus on your face.
No.
No? I have no idea. I've never
No.
watched one.
Okay. Why?
So I like to like stuff it all around the edge. Yeah, just like make a border patrol.
I'm scared my hands are gonna burn off.
It'll be alright. It's not even that
My
hot.
hands are made tools.
That's true. I honestly hate this oil filter design, guys. Like, the top mount thing is great, but when you undo it, for whatever reason, it always like leaks out the side for me. If you have a better way, let me know. But we'll find out how Rachel does here in a second. Maybe she's the pro and she don't even know.
That's a lie.
Could be.
My eyebrow okay looking?
Yeah. So we gotta undo that counterclockwise. So let me find
This
you
is hot. Why is that
El
hot?
Rencho. Because the car was running earlier.
Yeah, I think you're just trying to burn my hands off.
No, you'll be fine.
They'll be wrapped up. That's the end I was gonna use.
All right.
So,
So
wait, this is tight?
which
wait,
way?
the size is on there, is it?
I
25.
think that this says 25 newton meters, 25.5 newton meters. That's what we're gonna
Oh, he wants out.
torque it back down to.
Baby.
Cameo of Bert.
Come on, buddy. Where'd you go, boy?
It's me, Bert, and I'm an awesome man. I take pisses in the grass, and I'm just pretty good at it. Watch me. Here we go, having a good old time peeing in the grass. Then I want to go instantly back inside because I don't like it out here very much. Now put me in the house unless I see the open gate, and then I'll run for the open gate. Hey, man. I'm out. About ready to wrench on. And how are you going to do this?
Which way do I go?
Well,
Is
what's
this
the
the
saying?
tight way? Righty, lefty, right looses? Gooses? Wait, I don't like that term because I feel like that's confusing.
It's pretty easy.
Righty, tighty, lefty, loosey.
Correct.
But left is, it's a circle. You can always go
Counterclockwise is left. Think of a clock.
Counterclockwise.
Except
No,
when you're looking at me,
clockwise.
it's like this.
No, clockwise is left.
The clock sweeps to the left. You
Yeah,
stare at a clock. Just say it. I don't know. They're all digital.
No. Like an analog clock that goes like this.
Correct.
It's
Which
a
is going in
normal
what
time.
direction?
That's what I'm saying. It can go up, which is left, or down, which is right. It's fucking confusing shit, dude. If you don't get what I'm saying, you're the problem. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh my god. Yeah, but in what direction is it going? It's going
Well, you.
in every direction. It is spinning towards the right.
No, it's not.
Kind of. I get what you mean.
No,
but
it's not. It's going to the left.
righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. Counterclockwise is loosen. Just think about it. You're the wrench. You're the wrench. I'm the wrench. Look it. Look, I'm the wrench. I'm going to the right. I'm spinning to the right. I get what you're saying. Like if you're standing here, it's going to my left, but it's spinning to the right. This way.
Alright, so I would go. Oh my god, dude. This is.
So let me get.
I'm moving this to like from the right to the left.
I get what you're saying. If you're like,
So this is
you're
from the
thinking
left to the
6
right.
o'clock and 12 o'clock.
Yeah. See, I'm just saying that shit don't work for everyone, okay? So I don't know. Get it
But
through.
that would mean basically like halfway through loosening something, you should just go back the other way.
Right.
Oh, I'm at the bottom.
I
Better
think we're
go
going
back
in
to the
circles
right.
here, guys.
And left and
So
right.
I would go this way.
Yeah, did that work?
Which is going to my what hand is this? What hand is this? It's my right. And it's becoming unloose. That doesn't rhyme with the righty tighty, lefty loosey. It's righty loosey. Right? Am I fucking not right? I'm
I get
moving
what
the
you're-
wrench to the right, man. And I'm moving the little thing to the right.
Yeah, but once you get to the top of the clock, it's going to the left.
That's what I'm saying. Circles don't work. I am a brilliant person, for real.
I get what you mean.
Dude,
All right. I
right
think we can
hand.
all let us know down in the comments what you think about that
Yeah,
interpretation.
you know what I'm saying though. Don't even lie. Don't even say I'm dumb. I ain't dumb. You're dumb.
All right. So once it gets loose enough, you should be able to do it with your
Mine's
hand.
blown.
Your mind's blown?
Yours is, I think, because you're like, wow, she's
No,
right.
that's yeah. I never thought about it that way. You
my
always
truth.
think
I'm
about
kidding.
stuff completely opposite that I think about it.
I've never used this before, so you don't need to be mean to me about it.
I think you can use your hand now if you'd like.
Oh.
Maybe.
So what's gonna happen? This comes up.
Yeah, it'll start to unscrew and then it'll freaking leak oil everywhere. So there's a filter in there, all right? And inside that filter is hella oil. Well, a little bit of oil.
Where do I put the thing once it's out?
So what we'll try to do is put it into that bag.
This tiny ass little bag.
Yeah, we'll try to like put the whole thing in the bag.
Why
That's
can't I just have maybe the oil thing like over here?
yeah, we could do that. Like right here.
Yeah, and then I could have the bag. I don't know.
Mm-hmm. That works.
Okay, so I think it's loose enough, but so I'm just encircling it.
Yeah,
You like how I said that, encircling it.
correct.
Okay, so it's coming
So
up.
once it gets to a certain size, what I like to do is lift it up very, very slowly because for whatever reason, it always seems to have a tight ton of oil in there.
I'm just kidding.
Oh,
Is this cheating?
you know, that's a good idea. I've never
I'm trying to
thought
return this $8 shirt, guys.
of,
This is how I eat dinner.
you know, I've never thought about doing a bib. It's not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. This is the don't get dirty challenge, isn't it?
Right. So what do I do now? I
So
just
you're
lift it
gonna
up?
pull it,
I
yeah,
just
but
go to town?
go slowly.
Why do I gotta go slow?
Because usually it makes like a suction. Whenever I've done it, it's like. Oh, dude. She did that better than I've ever done that. Honestly.
Okay, now what do I do? Take
Good job.
these out?
Yeah, take that out. Make sure nothing's spilled over the sides, basically. Because if it spills over the sides, then it got on stuff.
It's
But
my
dude,
favorite smell in life.
yeah, burnt oil.
Yeah.
What'd you have back in the day? An oil burning machine? What was it?
An oil burning machine.
Yeah, your first car?
The Audi?
Yeah, what was it?
An A4?
What year?
96 maybe? I don't know.
Yeah. What
Why?
engine?
V6?
Correct. What liter?
2.7? I don't know.
Dude, you're hella close. 2.8.
Fuck.
But that was really good.
I
I'm
really
impressed.
didn't know. I can't even remember
2.7 is an Audi motor. It's the turbo. The
Okay.
S4 has that.
Yeah.
It's the motor we should have got.
Right. I was stuck on what we shoulda, woulda, coulda, you know?
For sure. Okay, so now let's look at this. Let's look at what we got here.
There's a filter in it, and this is the sheath. I don't know if that makes sense.
Yeah, sure.
Do I have to undo it?
Yeah, so you're gonna pull out the filter.
Man. Is the
What?
butt plug thing in here to keep it from... Oh, this is it, huh?
Yeah.
So do I just
The butt
undo
plug.
it? Is it... It's hot. Why is it so hot?
Okay, so the filter itself is the filtery looking thing in there.
This thing?
It's inside. It's the piece
This?
inside. It's like all the way at the tip. The filter.
This.
No.
This.
The yeah.
Oh, I take this out?
Yeah.
Ew.
Boom.
It's a car's tampon. It's a car's tampon.
That's true. Okay, so now now we gotta get the O-ring off of there. So where's the O-ring?
Right here.
Correct. I usually do it with a knife.
Okay.
Or yeah.
Oh.
Sick. Where'd it go?
Oh, I see it. I just don't think I should be doing anything over this. I found it.
Nice.
Garbage patrol.
Oh, what do you think's next?
Wasn't there like some other little metal thing, or does this one not have that?
Yeah, some cars do have it, but I want to say this one does not.
I feel like it would go in there if it had it.
Yeah, like BMWs and stuff, like the S55 on the M4 does. So, smart girl. Very smart, very
Just kidding.
smart.
Anyways.
And on the S52, has one as well. Boom.
Okay, found it.
Sick.
Yeah, okay.
All right, good job.
There. Okay, now I'm going to try to do this. This is a trick my dad has always taught me. You put the baggie inside out, and then you pick up what you need, and then it makes less of a mess.
Correct, Mundo. Good
And you
job.
put it in your lunch. And you drop it off.
Or you put it in the trash can next to the toilet.
Yeah. Right. Don't flush these down the toilet, guys.
It'll clog the sewer.
Yeah. Well, because I mean, it's a tampon.
Right.
It's the car's tampon.
I think we got the joke.
Well, you know, some people won't.
So now that this video is completely demonetized, what do we do next?
Brought to you by Kotex.
What do we do next? Why don't we just call them car tampons instead
Empowering
of oil
women.
filters now?
And their vaginas.
So, what do you think we're gonna do next then?
Call it a night. Just kidding.
Just drive to work like that?
Yeah. What would happen?
You'd fucking spray oil everywhere? And the motor would seize up after about, I don't
so
know,
now
2
I need
minutes?
to put a new filter in.
Boom!
And I think it's this box right here. Right?
Yeah.
But what is all this? Is this the new plug?
Yeah. So it actually came with a couple things that it looks like oh yeah, there you go. There you go.
We're using the GE72039 blah parts. I don't even know how to say that word.
Mole.
Mahali. Mahali? It's a Hawaiian. Oh, it's a AUX 835D.
Oh yeah, Rachel's really good at like opening boxes and chips and stuff. It's usually pretty it's pretty ridiculous.
don't need this box? How do we know which way it goes? Does it tell me? I think that's kind of rude. It should be like this side up, like.
Yeah, that
like
one looks like it does
bag?
either way, which is fine.
Like a popcorn bag.
Mm-hmm. Let me see.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. I like putting this side up. That makes sense.
How do I put the O-ring on? Just like any other O-ring, I guess.
Yeah, so a good way of doing it too is making sure your fingers are greasy for that. So get a little oil.
Oh, is that a joke?
No, you want to lube the O-ring.
Oh, really?
That way you don't blow it out. You gotta lube it.
Can I put this?
Yep. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Tampon juice.
Not how I would have done it, but good idea.
Now it's gonna get all over the fucking thing now.
Alright, it's all lined up.
Okay.
Oh, looks beautiful. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the new oil filter in. So you can do it one of two ways.
Put it there or in there?
Yeah. I like shoving it on there. I don't know why.
Dude.
But
You like just putting it on there?
yeah, but when I do it that way, I do look for the logo. For whatever reason, I have it facing up because I think it's cool. But
I feel like it's like bigger.
is it?
I don't know. I don't know if it's just the typing that's making me feel that way.
Yeah, I think it's the same.
Okay. Do I just put it in there?
Yeah. Does it feel tight?
No, I was just getting it in there. Yeah, I guess. Can you double check?
Oh yeah. Toy like a toy guy.
Okay, now what do I do? I just put this on there now?
Yep.
Excuse me, sorry. Do I have to use the wrench thing?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Supposed to torque it down to 25.5 Newton meters. So let me go try to find El Saquito. So when that was getting torqued down, what did you think?
I was going from right to left.
All right, so we're good on that. Now we got to do the possibly dirty part, which is what?
What does that mean? Getting down under the ground?
Yeah. All right, so we got to jack up the car.
This stuff away?
Yeah, we got to recycle the filter, but just put the filter in the, oh. I was gonna say put the filter in the box, but
You should zoom in and play a sad song.
yeah, so that's not gonna happen. So I guess put that over there, and then let's jack up the car. I feel like you're cheating with this bib. I don't know.
Okay. Okay, Blake thinks I'm cheating with the bib, so now I have to take the bib off.
I don't know. I've never seen anyone use a bib. We're still looking pretty clean though. Let's see. Yup.
So now I do this thing.
Yeah. I think the car's high enough. I don't remember. See the little arrow? Go up a little bit.
What does that mean, go up?
Like jack the
Oh, jack it up?
You're good.
You got it, dude.
It's too scary.
We're gonna put blocks underneath it and we'll be good to go.
Okay, I'm bored.
You're almost there. You only got another 10 inches.
It's not going.
Really?
Yeah, it's not.
You can't pull it down.
Do it, bitch. Try it. What? Are you kidding me?
No.
No, I thought it was so much resistance. I thought it was just gonna rip off the thing. I don't know. Whatever, dude. Wilbert wants out, I think.
Go for it. Do it.
Wilby.
There you go.
Well, I just didn't feel like it felt like what it was feeling like, so I didn't know if I was doing it right.
No, that's good.
Wilbert, what are you doing? Pooping?
Okay, it sounds like you want me to jack up the rest of the
Can
car.
you finish that, or-
Yeah, here, you film me.
Look at that.
Wow. I like to use these because it's easy.
Whoa.
So where's it go?
Where
Point to the
little-
viewers where it goes.
The jack goes where the arrow is. Wow,
That hair.
the hair, man. Wow, this quality of camera.
It's better. More
It's
trust.
what is it? A Canon.
It's true.
Yeah, this one's way better, guys. Look at Blake. He's so pretty. Easy.
Easy, breezy.
Easy as making your own phyllo dough. Just kidding, it's not easy. No one ever makes their own phyllo
I
dough.
don't even know what that means, so.
Whatever, puff pastry, man. No one makes that.
This is where I said you could get dirty, but
This isn't fair. This is,
sabotage?
yeah, you're sabotaging me.
It's possible. I think it's fairly clean. I don't know. So,
You guys want to see something cool? That's a poop.
now what?
Oh, take a nap on this beautiful bed.
That
The
is
door lasts. It's gonna last. Your sleep will last.
That's honestly like how I feel every single time I get on one of these. I just kind of lay there on the
Yeah.
ground. I know, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm so done with this. Get on down there, and you gotta get this drain pan under there.
Yeah, but I don't even understand.
Okay, well I'll show you. So it's gonna go under where the oil comes out, which I will give you an idea of where that is. Yeah.
Put my hair up, guys. You should put your hair up too. Public service announcement. Where do I go from here?
So you're gonna go underneath. So your head should probably go that direction.
I'm gonna take a nap, guys. Wednesday. Oh shit.
What'd you do? You're still looking really clean, which is surprising.
Where do I go?
You're gonna go underneath. So spin your head towards that direction. I mean, that works, I guess.
Oh
Or
no,
smile.
how am I gonna get under there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna burn my face off. I'm gonna be like a piece of toast.
No, I think you'll be alright.
Okay.
So,
What are you doing? You're like stepping on me.
so you need that. That's the tool
Okay.
to remove the drain plug.
This little thing holds my goodies.
Yup.
I don't like this roly-poly. Ah! Where's the tool? Oh, I have it, right?
Your tool is in your hand,
Oh, this thing?
Mm-hmm.
I can't see. I'm like doing this.
You put it in there straight. It should go like straight in.
I know, but I can't see shit.
Yeah, that looks correct. And then it's gonna turn 90 degrees. And then once you do that and pull it out, it's gonna shoot the oil out.
90 degrees. It's
Yeah,
gonna shoot out?
counterclockwise, 90 degrees.
It's gonna shoot out?
Uh-huh.
Oh god. What does that mean?
Well, like the oil's gonna come out, so you get your hand out of the way. So you're going the wrong direction.
I know, because I'm...
Yep, and now that should just kind of,
Do I release?
yeah, keep going until it pops out, and then pop it out.
Oh!
Boom. That's shootout. Did pretty good, man. You're looking pretty clean.
That was scary.
Okay, so the plug fell off, so we're actually going to replace the plug with a new one, so we'll just let it drain.
I wasn't supposed to do that. You didn't tell me that.
No, we have a brand new one.
Okay.
So, we'll let it drain
Is this
out.
hot?
Maybe. Touch it.
How long does it take to drain out?
I don't know, a few minutes. Depends on how it feels. When it's warmer, it comes out quicker.
Yeah, I can fall asleep under here for sure.
Yeah,
but
this is what I do when I'm like,
I'm like,
I'm so over it. I'm like, I'm so thirsty. That's where you sit when you're thirsty.
and then you go, Rachel, when you see my feet.
You have a cup of water? Yep, pretty much.
So do they always give you the key, or is this like a magic thing that
I had to buy that.
you had to buy this?
Mm-hmm.
So you have to keep it.
Yeah.
It's
Where-
a keepsake.
Mm-hmm. Where would you buy it?
Get it? A keepsake. It's a keepsake. Anyways,
Where do you think you buy it?
where do you buy it?
Yeah.
You go to this link down below on the Amazon,
Nice.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I find it on Amazon. It's cheap, man. I had a hard time finding it, but I found you guys a link. A linky pinky down below.
All right, so how's it doing down there, eh?
It's dribbling like a basketball.
I don't dribble a basketball like that.
Well, I mean, it's like boop, 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 boop.
So I went ahead and purchased all new plugs on Amazon. So I got this guy right here. This is how they look. If you guys are unaware, that is how they look there, and that's what that key is for. You don't want to use a screwdriver. I know a lot of people suck it out from the top of the car. That way you don't have to get underneath it like Rachel is right now. But yeah, Also, I bought this kit and it came with a couple other items, but you're not even going to use these ones. This is for basically multiple different cars: Skoda, VW, A4, A6, A8. Yeah. Anyways, we're going to use this one, so I'm going to give this to Rachel. She's going to lube up that O-ring again, get it juicy.
Is the O-ring on here?
Mm-hmm. So you replace a plug every time. So don't strip that out. You'll just spin that in by hand into the hole, and then you can put the tool on it. Or you can put the tool in now. Just make sure it should go in very, very easy.
I feel like I'm Indiana Jones. Puzzle is matched.
Spin that back in the
Do
hole.
I have to get it lubey?
Yeah, get it, like, just use the drip.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Now put that and just lube it around it.
Oh, okay. Is it in there?
I think so.
I literally cannot see shit because I'm like doing a reach around here.
I think that's it. Whoa, whoa.
Okay.
You're good.
Oh, I had to do it one more time. Is that it?
Yeah, let me double check it.
Okay.
Oh, I just fell
Does
off.
this go in here?
No.
Just kidding. Put it in there. Put it in. I knew it.
As I double check it, I dropped it in the freaking pan. She did a good job. It's actually in there. Okay, so what I like to do is wipe off the oil.
From the key.
Well, not the key, but the pan. Just whatever extra drips it has on there right now.
I know, but I don't have a towel. Can
Well, you
get
got a
me one?
finger? Yeah, I can get you one. I'll be back.
I love that you did that and I didn't.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it was. Oh, babe, I hate. Wait, show that on the camera. This is bullshit. The tiny paper towel man. Seriously, I was gonna ask him, can you grab a paper towel? I didn't think I had to because I need to wipe my hands, but you know what? Actually, it's really absorbent. These are really great.
Yeah, I gave you a little one because it's all you need.
I
So
feel like
just-
you do this with toilet paper. You're like, I'm gonna wipe my asshole with
Just that.
this. Just that.
Just the whole.
You sound like wiping your butt.
Having way too much fun.
Is it wiped?
Yeah. You're good to go. You have successfully drained the motor oil out of your vehicle. Now you kind of have to do something else.
Oh God.
All right, what do you got there? You got a little bit of.
I think eyes can see that.
So she got a little dirty there. Got a little dirty there.
Where?
How else are you looking? A little bit on the front. You're looking pretty clean still.
I'm actually upset now.
Well, you could always just touch the shirt, but that's kind of like, you know, I don't know. You still got to fill it up. You've done very well.
I think what we should do is this shirt should be like we write on it maybe or something, and like what day, and like maybe like rate it maybe on dirtiness, and like I always have to wear this shirt to see how dirty it gets over the years, and I can never wash it.
That's not a bad idea.
What do you guys think?
Let's take the oil and the cardboard. You want to be careful with that because,
Well, wait, I want to take the cardboard out. What if I spill oil everywhere?
well, I like to take them out both together, but like be slow because you're going to make a wave. Yay.
You're gonna boom.
All right, we're almost done. Coming towards the end. Grab the, take the cap off, I guess. El Capitan.
This?
Yeah. Now you know. Busted knuckle. Hope you didn't hurt yourself.
Yeah, it's gonna be bruised.
You see the hole right there? It's like blocked. It's freaking blocked by this, so it only has like this little itty bitty hole.
Probably use like a fucking thing. Like, do you have a slinky thing that goes in?
Yeah, I got another funnel. So, I went ahead and actually pinched the filler. That way it would kind of get below that. And now Rachel's gonna go ahead and pour it in there and hopefully not spill oil all over the place. Remember, the initial pour is the sketchiest part. Nice.
Oh my god, I'm tired already.
Oh, pick it up higher.
Can I just say something? Oh shit, I got oil.
What are you gonna say?
Damn it.
So that's what you don't want to have happen when you're pouring.
Oh my god.
Is it in there? Okay, so one hand on that and then the other hand. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Do not knock that over.
I know. Fuck, did I get the oil right here?
Barely, dude. That won't smell. Just hold this and start pouring.
I don't know what I was saying, but I felt like it had meaning.
I think you're gonna say it weighs too fucking much? I don't know.
No. I have hair in my mouth. Can you help me? Seriously. Oh, it's so gross.
It's nasty.
They need to put the handle down here too.
Yeah, I guess.
Why not?
I don't know.
Ugh. I'm so tired.
Well, pour faster and it'll get lighter. It's not even pouring.
I know.
Yeah, that's literally how you're gonna leak it all down the side. There you go. Dump it upside down. Oh, and by the way, it'll go flump flump. It'll chug.
I just feel like I need to do this with my other hand.
I'll hold the filter.
Thanks. How do people with one hand? Oh God.
You could stab a hole in the bottom and it'd go faster, but then I can't fill it back up, so we're not doing that.
There's a freaking bug on my leg. What is that?
It's a fly.
Ah. Scary.
What are you scared of?
Well, I thought something was eating me.
Yeah, I usually start the car and then I top it off with that one. What you gonna do, Rachel?
Turn the car on, right?
Yeah. So you know what? When we're in the car here, I'm gonna have you do one other thing once you start it. Go ahead and start it. We're gonna reset.
Why is it,
What?
it was like,
Has to get like the oil.
oil
built up.
change too.
Right. So why does it say that? Because we gotta reset the light. So what are we gonna do?
Go in here somewhere.
Yeah.
Cancel.
Show
And then
them.
you're going to go.
Show them.
Well, I don't know, so just hold on here. Maybe this one, but maybe settings.
I think you were on it the first time. Don't do that. It's there. You just have to hit to the left.
Wow, that's hidden, guys.
Hidden. Then what?
Services and checks.
Yeah. Then what?
And boy.
We select it.
Oh,
There you go.
yeah.
No.
Cool.
So now guess what?
It's not gonna harass me every day.
Correct. Very cool.
So I check the oil by taking the stick out.
Yeah.
My sword. Do you feel like a sword person?
No. Okay, so you wipe it first.
The whole thing?
Yeah, wipe it all the way off.
Like this?
Sure.
And then I stick it back in?
Uh-huh. Redip all the way.
Do I shake it?
All the way down. Now all the way up. Now look at it. Wait, so it doesn't drip. Pull it over. Okay. How we looking? We're down. I can't freaking see. So we're down. I don't know. We're about halfway there. So we'll add
Where?
like, you want to be like in this area. It's
Oh,
not very
okay.
thick. Just see how it is on there.
Yeah.
So we're gonna add like about half a quart.
Okay. I put it
Or
back
half a liter. Yeah, put that back in. So why don't we show everybody how these work, because it's super cool, the Raven oil.
Yeah, Raven oil. It's all the rage. So I was trying to undo this and I was like, dude, this is really hard. And then I was like, what's this special tab do? How do I do it?
Straight up. Straight up. There you go. And then it spins off.
And then it spins off.
Pretty
Ooh, you're
cool.
gonna work out your neck muscles. You don't have to put that on there, I promise.
A little more. That's probably good.
Don't tell me what to do.
No, it's
You
not.
suck.
Dang.
Cool beans, guys.
So we'll put the cap back on and then we can check it one more time.
I don't have to send it on. Turn it on.
You could, but we'll just check it like this. Pull it out, you gotta wipe it anyways.
I know. Pretty good, I guess.
How we doing? Yeah, we're about halfway in the middle here.
Yeah, I see the line. Okay, cool. I was
Yeah.
like, do I see the line or do I not?
Look to be about good there. We could possibly add a little
When
more
is
if
it
you wanted to.
too high?
Well, you can go all the way up to the dots.
Oh, really?
You can go like all the way to here.
But that's
If you
fine.
want.
You know, I'm not trying to waste any more money
Yeah, you just want to be in that zone.
AutoZone. Which is where we got this oil. No, it's
Honda.
not. O'Reilly?
No.
Where the fuck did we go?
Well, we went there, but I can't buy that oil there.
Where the fuck did we get? On Amazon
Germany.
down
These
below.
are from Germany, dude.
What?
From down below, dude.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Show
Ja, Hans.
the Weven oil, yeah.
Wow. This is from Germany. Made in Germany.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait. But you can buy it on Amazon.
Correct.
Link down below.
Spot. Now we're gonna go ahead and put that engine cover back on the engine.
Just kidding.
Yeah, that's pretty much what you want to do is just throw it in there. So get it on those little tabby dabbies. I would like probably line it up, yeah. Boom. Professional, my dude.
There's oil all over it.
Sick. Your engine bay is super clean, so. Look at that carbon fiber, super clean carbon. Ooh.
Oh, did you guys?
Just scratch it. Yeah.
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 Yeah, Hans.
Yeah. Scratch the tube, yeah.
Don't want me to?
No.
Okay.
Alright, so we're good there. You can pretty much close her up.
Oh, I need fluid in this.
Yeah.
Oh, we're all done now, so. Yeah.
Nice. Alright, but we still got this, the worst part of an oil change.
Bye.
This is why most people don't do it.
Peace out.
Peace.
So you basically take this and put it in the toilet. I'm just kidding, don't do that. It's a joke. What did you do?
What?
It's crazy how like dark it gets.
Yeah, it's because this stuff's turfed.
Like I'm trying to.
This Haviland Smart Change is rad. I really like the bag that this thing comes with, but I need to get some more of this oil. You are like super close, but it looks like you're super pretty much empty, so I just go for the gold. It looks like, maybe, I don't know.
Fuck it.
Looks like you made it. Yeah. Amazon. We'll ship
Tiniest
that
box.
shit in a big ass box.
I mean, big ass box, tiny prizes. I don't know. Found the key and the plug. Do we keep
Cool.
them?
So we keep the key, we toss the plug.
It's garbage.
Yeah. And then we good to go here.
Okay.
Put the cap on this.
Put the cap in your ass.
You're sad that you got that much on you? I wouldn't attempt to change oil in a whitish
I feel like I'm
outfit.
gonna turn around to go inside. as we
Your
go.
back's gonna be destroyed. Yeah, I didn't look at that yet.
Oh shit, my
Let's
shoe.
see. Let's give your yeah. There's like slightly something right there, barely.
All right,
got-
this is episode 1. Shirt man, or what do
And
we
just
call
right
our
there,
shirt?
and like here, and like barely there. Yeah.
What should the shirt? I feel like it should have like a handle on the names from now on, like I don't know, hashtag shirt lady, or, you know.
White shirt challenge, white shirt oil change challenge. So how do you feel about changing your own oil?
I feel like it's way easier than I was anticipating, and I think with just a few things in like your garage, you can do it. Just believe in yourself and
Yeah.
Sean, guys.
Yeah.
No, seriously though, like, I don't know, just like buy an oil catcher thing and buy a funnel, and then the key, and then like you have those forever. Like you don't need the wheelie dilly thing.
Right. You didn't really need a lot of tools.
No, but I mean, do you have to have the wrench?
You should have a socket wrench and you should have a torque wrench.
Yeah.
That I could not find the socket, so I good and tighted torque spec'd the oil filter housing.
Yeah.
But yeah, didn't over torque it. Just
Like, and if you
went a
don't
little
have
bit.
this thing, you could just put it back into that.
Right, and if you have a covered one, you can bring it. So the reason I have an uncovered one, guys, if you are unaware, they do have the covered ones, which is nice because it's sealed, but those ones always tend to splash because you have like a 1-inch little hole And then it just splashes
but you
everywhere.
need a jack too.
Oh yeah, a jack as well.
So just buy a few fucking things, you know?
Thanks.
And
I think
you'll
you
have
did
those things.
I think you did an excellent job.
Thanks for helping me.
Thanks
I
for.
couldn't have done it without you.
Oh, that's nice. Thanks for changing the oil on your car for me.
You're welcome.
All right, later, guys.
Wrench on.